semester.
No way. You want to know what I would do if I was host for a day?
What? You want to know what I would do if I was host for a day?
What would you do, Robert? We can do all of those things together.
You're so right. I'm Robert.
And I'm Haley.
We're the Diversity Hires,
and this is CCA-TV, Season 25.
What's up, CCA?
Valentine's Day is coming up, and we wanted to give you some good advice.
We have some letters from the student body, and we're going to give you guys some love advice. This first one is from someone named Todd. They say, "Dear Robert and Haley, I would love to take my significant other out on a date, but I just have no idea where to take them. Do you guys have any suggestions? Please let me know. Sincerely, Todd." Well, Todd, I would say focus on their interests. If they love food, maybe take them to their favorite restaurant. If they love reading, maybe take them to a bookstore. You know your significant other best, and it's really the thought that counts.
Before you ask them out, make sure that they will accept you for who you are and not care if you can't bench 405 like Chet. I'm still cute.
Robert, I'm sensing a lot of internal conflict here. Maybe you should try sorting that out at Community Day.
What's a Community Day?
So Community Day is an event that PALS puts on every year, multiple times per year. We have an event for every grade level.
Community Day is a full day you can take off your classes to spend with the PALS. And we do really fun activities and have important conversations about stuff like mental health and just common things we experience as teenagers.
Anyone can be a speaker, a leader, or a participant. If you're a leader, you take on a larger role in the day by leading small groups. And then as a speaker, you basically tell a story that you think is important and you're willing to share. The first one is March 1st for seniors and March 2nd for juniors.
If you guys want to sign up, you can go to our bio on our Instagram at CCA-Pals, and you can sign up there, or you can go to B107 where we're going to have sign-up sheets, and you can turn them into B107 as well.
Yeah, you're right. I feel a lot better now. Oh, looks like we have another letter to CCA-TV arts hosts.
Oh, well, let's give it to them.
Is your dad an artist, then why is such a masterpiece? They're right. By the way, the tape is rolling. Smile for the camera. Oh, hi, I'm Dasha, and this is Arts. Hey, I think you have a pretty nose, and every year it grows. Wait, what did I just say? No. Your beautiful eyes are brighter than ocean, but you should consider applying some lotion. What the heck did I just say? That's a disaster. It's a disaster. Man, I could really use some help of Rock Band.
We do a a lot of music theory, learning how songs are put together and all the things that go into that. And then they write an original song, and then we record those in the studio here as well.
I think rock band is a really good choice if you play like any instrument, because you work on a lot of genres and you work with a bunch of different people, and like the relationships you build in rock band are really special.
My favorite part about playing rock band is probably playing on the drums and playing with people.
I had a lot of friends in rock band and I was kind of interested based on what people have told me about it, and it seemed really fun.
We'll be heading over in March to PTMS to play over there. And then the main show that we do is our big Rock the Canyon performance, and that'll be happening at the end of the semester. So it's usually the week before finals week, and so you can watch for that in the announcements. We would love to have you join Rock Band, so if you play an instrument, we would love to have you come by. There will be an audition date, and you do have to audition for the class, but we would love to have you join us. It's a lot of fun, so come rock out with us.
This song might be ending, but I'm not finished with my thoughts. Did you know about Battle of the Band?
No.
And the submissions due 21st of Feb.
Dasha.
Well, let me finish first. Be patient. Audition starts 28th of Feb. Be prepared for that. Well, will you audition with me to Battle of the Bands?
Well, I will, but not with you.
Here's a behind-the-scenes look.
Before we begin,
I found the treasure.
Relax, kid. It's Whoopi Goldberg.
Wait, I think I heard it again.
See you later.
Don't forget to sign up at CCA-TV.com to participate in mini-singing this weekend. And that was Dasha. Stay artsy.
Oh, Alvin. Oh.
孩子，新年快乐！我有红包给你。
哦，叔叔。
等一等啊，我还有东西。
谢谢叔叔。10块钱，哇，那么多钱，哇，谢谢哦。
好，
哇，
给你，给你，
叔叔啊，别人叔叔啊，救命啊！
好，给你，都给你，
救命啊！啊！新年快乐！
Here's another letter. This one is from Becky. Dear Robert and Haley, me and my significant other are both seniors, and we want to make the best of our last year of high school together. Are there any fun school activities for seniors? Thanks, Becky. Becky, you should really be focusing on your college apps right now. You have no time for fun. You have to get into your dream school.
That's not true. There are so many fun school activities for seniors. You can be serious about academics and have fun. I would recommend Seniored Out.
You're not even a senior. Shh.
Hey seniors, Seniored Out starts February 18th, and tomorrow is the last day to sign up. Sign up by paying a $5 fee at the finance office or the online store. Remember that you cannot tag on the stairs or during class, and that video proof is required for all tags. Stay up to date with Seniored Out by joining the Google Classroom. Distribution for floaties and tagging supplies will start the week of February 14th. Have fun and good luck.
Rams or Bengals?
Who does CCA want to win?
I don't even know who's playing.
Manchester United. I have no idea who's in the Super Bowl. I don't even know who's in the Super Bowl.
I want the Steelers to win.
Do you know who's in the Super Bowl? Do any of you guys know who's in the Super Bowl?
Joe Shiesty and the Bengals.
The Bengals. Oh my god. CCA has voted. The Bengals are gonna win.
That was so fun.
This is going to be a great season of CCA-TV, and we can't wait to make more episodes.
Do you hear that?
They're coming. Cut the cameras, now!
See you week after next.
Stay lovely, CCA.